You don't need a doctor if you eat onions every day. Raw onions are more than just a kitchen staple. They are a nutritional powerhouse with numerous health benefits. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants like quercetin, raw onions help fight inflammation and support heart health. Sulfur compounds, which give onions their distinctive taste and smell, have been linked to improved heart health and a reduced risk of certain cancers. Eating raw onions maximizes the intake of these sulfur compounds, which are often reduced by cooking. Including raw onions in your diet can boost your immune system, reduce inflammation, and improve overall well-being. Are you intrigued? Let's peel back the layers and discover the wonders of this spicy powerhouse. Health benefits of raw onions. Raw onions are a source of vitamin C, B6, and antioxidants, which are crucial for a strong immune system. Regular consumption can help ward off infections and keep you healthy. These compounds increase the body's ability to fight pathogens and reduce the frequency and severity of colds and flu. Additionally, onions contain selenium, which stimulates immune function and plays a role in reducing inflammation and preventing infections. The antimicrobial properties of raw onions can help fight harmful bacteria and pathogens. They act as a natural antibiotic, helping to prevent infections. Onions contain compounds such as allicin and sulfur, which have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. These compounds disrupt the cell membrane of bacteria and prevent their growth and reproduction. Including raw onions in your diet can provide a natural defense against bacterial infections, including E. coli and Salmonella. The sulfur compounds found in raw onions help reduce cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and prevent clot formation. This means a healthier heart and a reduced risk of heart attacks and strokes. Sulfur compounds like allicin relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Additionally, onions have been shown to lower LDL bad cholesterol levels while increasing HDL, good cholesterol. The antithrombotic properties of onions prevent blood clots, which are the main cause of heart attacks and strokes. For those managing diabetes, raw onions can be a great ally. They help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin production. Compounds such as allopropyl disulfide and chromium present in onions help increase insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. Research has shown that consuming raw onions can lead to a significant reduction in fasting blood sugar levels. This makes onions an excellent food choice for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the disease. Onions are rich in prebiotics, which support gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria. A healthy gut means better digestion and improved overall health. Prebiotics are indigestible fibers that act as food for probiotics, the good bacteria in your gut. By feeding these bacteria, onions help maintain the balance of the gut microbiome, which is essential for digestive health. This can prevent problems like constipation, diarrhea, and bloating. Additionally, a healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved mood, immune system function, and overall well-being. The anti-inflammatory compounds in raw onions, such as quercetin, tirelessly reduce inflammation throughout your body. This can be especially beneficial for those suffering from conditions such as arthritis and asthma, providing relief and improving quality of life. Research shows that onions can support bone density, prevent bone loss, and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Regular consumption can ensure that your bones stay strong and healthy as you age. Onions contain compounds like quercetin and flavonoids that prevent bone resorption, a process in which bone tissue breaks down. Additionally, they increase the activity of osteoblasts, the cells responsible for bone formation. Studies have shown that women who regularly consume onions have higher bone density and a lower risk of fractures. Onions are rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals and reduce the risk of various cancers, including stomach and colon cancer. Quercetin and sulfur compounds in onions have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells. Epidemiological studies have shown an inverse relationship between onion consumption and the risk of developing several types of cancer, especially stomach, colon, and prostate cancer. Onions can help clear up acne by reducing inflammation and killing bacteria on the skin. Their sulfur content improves collagen production, which is vital for healthy skin and hair. Applying onion juice on the scalp can stimulate hair follicles, leading to thicker and stronger hair. It can also reduce dandruff and prevent scalp infections. Onions have expectorant properties that help clear mucus from the airways, making them effective against respiratory problems such as asthma and bronchitis. The sulfur compounds in onions act as a natural expectorant and help loosen and expel mucus from the respiratory system. This can relieve cough and congestion. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of onions can help reduce the severity of asthma attacks and other respiratory diseases by relaxing the bronchial muscles. And finally, let's explore some delicious ways to savor the benefits of raw onions. Add chopped onions to your salad for a crunchy and delicious taste. Combine them with tomatoes, cucumbers, and a tangy vinaigrette for a refreshing salad. Enhance your sandwiches and burgers with raw onion slices. They add a spicy, savory flavor that complements the meat and cheese. Mix chopped onions with salsa or guacamole for a fresh and delicious taste. Combine onions with tomatoes, cilantro, lime juice, and jalapenos for a delicious salsa. Quickly pickle onions in vinegar to add a spicy kick to your dishes. Pickled onions are a great topping for tacos, salads, and grilled meats. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your loved ones. See you in the next video.